Welcome to the channel. We're on Royal Caribbean Freedom of the Seas this week. We're in room 8642 on deck 8. It's going to be in the aft, right next to the elevators. Right here's the elevators, so that's nice. And give you a quick review and tour of our room. It's an ocean view balcony. As you walk in, give you a little shot of where we're at here. So like I said, we're on deck 8 in the aft or the rear. And that little red dot right there is, here's the elevators. So we're right here. Pretty much just one or two rooms down from the end. So as you come in, you got your light switch here, and on the right hand side you have your closet. You have some shelves here, hanging rack here, and these are additional hanging racks if you need them. And you got your life vest over here on the right. So then you can store a little bit of stuff up here on the top, not much, but a little bit. And then a couple of hooks here on the right. Then on the left you have your thermostat. This is your light for your bathroom. I'll show you the bathroom real quick. Standard bathroom for a Freedom class ship. You got the sliding doors for the shower, the body wash and hair wash on the wall there. You got your sink, your vanity. You have some mirrors. You got some storage on this side over here. You got storage, and then you go on further into the cabin. On the left, you have I call it a love seat, small couch, love seat. Then over here to the left, you do have your full-size mirror over here. And then as you come on in, on the right, you've got 4 drawers on the left, 4 drawers on the right, and the desk drawer here. Some storage here on the mirrors. A lot of people don't know this is here unless they see the handle, but you got 4 shelves there. Same thing over here. It's just some additional storage to store things, but be careful, don't forget things when you get off the ship. You can leave things behind there if you forget to check that. So like I said, you got your 4 doors right here on the left, each side. Refrigerator here. Sometimes they're cooler, sometimes they get colder than a chiller, but that one's not too good actually. Then you got a shelf right here to store some stuff. The TV does swing out and spin, so you can, if you're sitting at the desk, you can see it here. Or if you're in bed, you can swing it around this way, or if you're on the couch. So that makes it nice. And I believe it has, yes, it does have the HDMI, so you can plug in a laptop or anything like that. All right, coming on in further into the room, you have a nightstand on each side. This one has a phone with it. Each one's got a drawer in it. You do have lights on each side. You got the spotlight there, and you have this switch will turn on that light. So the beds are pushed together today. You can have these separated into two different beds here, and they will put the nightstand in between the beds. Like I said, here's that second nightstand on the right hand side. Additional light. One nice feature here is the master switch here. So as you can see, the lights are on. If you come in and forget to turn them off when you're in bed, you can push that switch right there. That switch right there, and it'll turn all the lights off. Do it one more time. Turn it back on. Okay. Some of the balconies do not have lights outside. This class does. So right here is the switch to the right of the door to turn the light on outside on the balcony. We'll go ahead and go out there and look. We're at the Port of Miami right now. Royal Caribbean's newer terminals. So mentioned there's the light. Turn on. I'll show you it turned on here in a minute. So outside on the balcony, you got a table, 2 chairs. They can open these if you have neighbors next door that you were cruising with. You can open that, stand in the balcony, even inside too, and make the balconies all one if you're traveling with other cruisers. So get a quick shot of the port here. All right. As I mentioned, this light here, go ahead and turn it on so you can see. The light turns on right there. And really just that's pretty much the Ocean View balcony. I will have a tour also of a Junior Suite on Freedom of the Seas in the next, not too far in the future, but I'll put a link to that in the description below if you want to check how a Junior Suite versus a balcony is on board Freedom of the Seas. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, appreciate if you hit that like button, that thumbs up, like button. subscribe to the channel so you can see the rest of our tours and other content from Royal Caribbean Cruising. And we'll see you on the next one.